8 distance and midpoint circles. Give the center and radius of the circle described by the equation and graph the equation. Use the graph to identify the relations domain and range. Now domain, as we remember, domain are the x values and range are the y values. X's are the left and right values and range are the up and down values. So let's see what kind of equations they're talking about here. All right, so remember it's the opposite looking effect, right? So the center is going to be something like, the center is going to be the opposite of the x's, so instead of -3, it's going to be +3. And they're going to have the opposite of the modifier for the y, so it's going to be a +1. So we know what the center is. The radius, right, we know that r squared is equal to 36. Therefore, r must be equal to 6. The square root of 36 is 6. Okay, cool. So the center is 3, +3, which is 3 to the right, +1. So we're simply going to put it right there. Let me use a different color so you can see it better. We'll use red, why not? All right, so this is the center, as you can see. And right there, it's 3 to the right and 1 up for the center. And now since the radius is 6, I have to go 6 in each dimension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down. And I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left. Now, I know that looks like a diamond, but you're going to have to smooth out the circle a little bit. Ah, almost had it. And just do your best. Straight edge isn't really going to help you in this situation, right? Okay, so that's your circle. Something like that, roughly, right? Okay, let's try the next one. So we're dealing with a similar situation. We have, again, the center is going to be the opposite of the modifiers. So since we have a +4 there, it's going to be -4, okay, because that's the one modifying the x values. And because we have a +1 over there for the y, it's going to turn into a -1 for the center. So -4, we go 4 to the left, and we go down 1. Okay, and again, I'm going to change the color to red so we can more easily see that. Red. Okay, now the radius is going to be a little bit different because we know that r squared is equal to 25. And therefore, if I want to find what r is equal to, I'd say, well, r is equal to 5, all right, which is the square root of 25. Okay, so we want to go 5 in each direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got a point there. Might run out of points here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hopefully I made all the rectangular coordinate systems big enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. Okay. So we try to make a circle. This is why I'm not into art. I do math because I can't draw. There we go. Awesome. A little better. Okay. So it looks something like that. Obviously, if you use technology, it's going to look way better than that, but that's about as good as I'm able to do without technology.